SIR process, as you all are aware, it already happened in the two phases, first in Bihar and after that in the 12 state. And accordingly, SIR is the special intensive revision, and in this one, the entire voter list, they do the verification, and there are the three consecutive dates. First is the 1st July to 1987 as per the Indian Citizenship Act. That is the deadline. Whoever born before that in India, they are Indian citizen by birth. And moreover, once the previous SIR happen in the states, so that deadline will also be taken, which is like December 2004 in the state of Meghalaya. So whosoever name is there, they just search the lineage, and accordingly lineage to be established for the verification of the existing voters, and as well as either their mother, father, or the in lineage the grandparents, they should be the voter at least in that one, and they have to produce in the people who are become a teen year after that, then they have to at least the lineage and all that, their previous record about the parents, grandparents, lineage, etc., and then along with the proof of identity, and that list of identity certificate is also been provided by Honorable Election Commission. So we do the verification, and as it has already happened in other states, similarly Meghalaya is also ready for the SIR exercise as per schedule announced by Honorable Election. So whatever manpower, the election functionaries, machineries are already there, the BLOs, the supervisors, the ERO, AEROs, and all election functionaries in as usual, and the manpower whatever will be required from the election side, we are ready. But especially in other states, it has been seen the booth level agents have been appointed by the political parties in other states. In that front, at least Meghalaya, we keep on requesting to the political parties to appoint BLAs, but somehow that progress is at least not, we can say ki not very proactive. So, and it otherwise vice versa is reflect their confidence and belief in the election functionaries in the state. And earlier also they reflected they had no complaint in respect to election machinery, the conducting election exercise. So it is up to the political parties regarding the appointment of the BLAs.